it's a preference thing, but if you look at it like you mentioned cooking, there's some restaurants where they crack a couple eggs and they take and they sprinkle some of this on here and they stir this up and then they
Mhm.
taste it and then they take some of that and put some of that in there. Then there's other restaurants that take the thing and they put it in a little cup and they put it on a little scale and they dial it in and go, okay, it's 32.4 grams. And they're all very precise about it.
Yeah.
I would rather eat at the place that's throwing shit around than got that different thing going on.
A place that feels more like Buca de Beppo, huh?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Rather than some place that, oh, you can't use any more of that because this is what corporate says.
Well, sometimes you get that precise because it's food science and you're trying to get a certain specific texture. And so, if you added too much of that, it's going to be more slimy instead of frothy. You know what I mean?
I do know what you mean.